Hi everyone, Searing Frost here with another Python Basics video. Today we'll be talking about packages in Python. Python packages are a folder containing Python modules. Python packages just require an init.py file, often left blank, inside of them to be recognized as a package. You can think of packages as a level up of organization from modules. Packages can even contain sub-packages. To import packages, you use the import keyword to import the definitions from the package's init.py file or from the modules inside the package. Dot notation is used to get to subpackages and definitions within modules. We're going to import from the package defined here. You can import the entire package, and also modules inside the package, and also subpackages inside the package. From imports work as well. It can get a little complicated if your package has a lot of levels. To create our own packages, we'll be following the Python documentation on creating packages linked in the description. First, we need to create a few files. The most important is setup.py, as it defines the metadata for our package. It includes things like author name, other libraries needed to install, and the package version. The sample package is linked in the description. You simply install it by running pip install on the setup.py directory. Then you just import like any other package. Thanks for watching this quick introduction to packages in Python. Understanding how to use and create packages will help organize your projects and help you use various libraries with ease. Links to the code and my blog post on packages are in the description. I'll see everyone next time.